Well, hi, honey, and hello. You found the joiners today, and we're so excited to be on our first trip to Legoland, Florida. I can't even believe I'm here. I'm more excited than the 2-year-old. No, wait. Nobody's more excited than the 2-year-old. He saw the pirates and whoosh, through the roof he went. I have sent Robert, Rissa, and the boy to go get the luggage, and I'll take a moment to show you this really cool room. I know it says adults keep out. I just can't keep out of this adorable room. It's for the kids, but look, there's a little Lego mouse, a Lego guy, a TV, and one of those spinny wall toys. Silas has already been spinning away. He loves it. Plus, there's pirates and pirate themes everywhere in this room. We got a bunk bed, plus the bottom pulls out as a trundle. Comes all the way over here, takes up almost the whole floor, so not a lot of room when that's done, but 3 can sleep in here nicely. The top 2 have light switches and their own lights, and the bottom one just has to do without. We got a treasure chest and a key. Got a door headed to this way if you really got to lock the kids in here, I guess. And a bit of play space on the floor. It's a treasure hunt. Our own treasure hunt. When we figure out the answers and fill in that card, we're going to get to open that chest and find out what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay, back to the tour. Storage space, ironing board, iron, drawers, safe, expensive bottled water, extra blankets, Legos, our masks. But nice little area here, place for the luggage, and a bathroom. I'm going to tell you the truth. Hi! I've never been so excited for some little feature. And it's in the toilet. No, it's not a bidet. Ta-da! Isn't that adorable? Like, if I thought we were going to have a 2-year-old potty trainer for more than a minute, I'd get one of these for the house. But there's a potty seat right in there. I didn't have to bring anything extra. I don't have to. Oh, freaking love that. All right. Nice sink. We got the Legoland shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. Soap. I won't want to use those. They're too adorable. Nice towel feel. Pirate hat on the wall. We got a hair dryer. Of course, more pirates on the shower curtain. And the shower itself looks pretty fancy. Pretty nice. More bath gel. Okay. My leg hurts and it keeps catching, so that's my little catchy noise. When it catches, I can't even walk. All right, so we got treasure all over the floor. We got a big old long mirror so I can see how bad I look how great I look going to the park in the morning. And let's see, nice desk. I might actually get a little work done for a minute after everybody goes to bed. In the room, I got a hand sanitizer. I got 2 bottles of water that aren't $4.50 a piece. I got a Keurig, some hot chocolate, a tea, and 2 coffees. We'll have to find more of that. A mini fridge, a barrel. I wonder if there's monkeys in there. Barrel of monkeys. A butterfly. Oh, my mom would love the butterfly. Look, Mommy. It really is made out of Legos. No, I can't get you one. Stop. Look, that's cool. Krista wanted that. No, Krista, it's attached to the wall. That's kind of cool, though. And I expected a ship to sleep in, but I'll have to do with this bed with... Ooh. That feels kind of good now. Of course, I'll do my follow-up to the room tomorrow. Tell you how I slept or didn't sleep. Sorry about the glare there. Look, don't look at me like that with your little sea hands. I know what you're thinking. Okay, so this is our room tour. I don't think I left anything out. Like I said, let's see what's going on here. Was I right? Oh, I was wrong about that. Yeah, no, you can't close the kids in here. I was thinking, wow, what a thing for a hotel to do. But that was the bathroom door. See how I closed the bathroom there? I thought the door was, yeah, no, you can't. I've known some people lock their kids out of the hotel, but yeah, that's not this video. Look, are you a peeping Tom? Get out of my room. Here's the list of things. If you take it, you buy it. Like the ice bucket is $15. The Lego box is $25. The amenities tray is $30. The storage bag is $30. The TV remote is $30. Wow. I'm not taking anything, I promise. Well, no, I'm taking the cute little soaps. That was a gift.
Two? All right, let's put it on there.
We have some pirates on a treasure hunt,
7, 6, 9,
and they're having a blast.
0, 1, 2. Look, under the TV. Under the TV in your room, there is a puzzle. Oh, look, it's in here. Come on. Come on in here. Let's go in here. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, is it a pirate? Look, look, look. Silas, look. Look. Look, it's the skull and bones. Look, look, look.
From here.
Number 5. Let's go. Yeah, put a 5. Put a number 5. Did you get it? Let's go over here and open up the treasure chest. Oh, look out there. Come. Oh. Wow. What else is in there? What else? Is there a lot of... Oh, we got more treasure. Look at all this treasure you got.
You got juice pouches, and you got Legos.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's a little dark in here, but you might be able to see these. We got 2. They're going to be too small for him, but we'll put them away. Look at this room. Look at this mess. Look at this boy. Are you ready for bed? If you go to bed, Mama and Papa can go have a cocktail. Okay, if I open it, will you go to bed? Okay, cool. Thanks. Well, good morning. The sun's coming up. It's going to be a gorgeous day. Somebody is cute and ready to go. Let me see, Si. Turn around. Say hi, everybody. Yeah, it's a little dark in here, so this probably isn't the best view. But I thought I'd show you. Look what was on our front doorstep this morning. The Legoland Times. Ooh. That is so cute that there's a newspaper on my doorstep. All right, a couple things I want to talk about. This bed. I am so bed particular. And this memory foam, yeah, I know it's a pirate ship bed, but yeah, I didn't like it. I'm not a memory foam fan. And I couldn't get hot water in the shower this morning. I just couldn't do it. I wanted a hot shower. I wanted to soak. But everything else has been just great. What?
Chicken.
Is there a chicken?
Yes.
I don't see a chicken. Say bok bok.
Bok. Bok.
Look how cute he is. All right. Breakfast starts at 7. And the list says it could get a line. So let's go. So one more thing I wanted to show you is the beach towels. Stop. How do you call this a... Okay, pool towel. Is it a kid's pool towel? Okay. Works for him, I guess. Not for me. Don't forget, breakfast is included. Yes, it is. Carafe juice on the table already. And everything is served family style. I'll do regular today. So at 9:30 in the morning, there's quite a wait for the restaurant. I'm very happy we went early. And that'll be the Joiners Pro Tip for today. Hit the breakfast early and skip this madness. Everybody's getting ready to walk a few steps over to Legoland, and we're already ready to go out the door. Looks like it's about an hour wait at this point, and breakfast was wonderful. They brought out big skillets, and they'll just keep refilling it for you. Overall, do we love Legoland? Yes, we do. Be sure you check out our other video and see a more detailed look at the hotel. Thanks so much for watching. I love it when you do. If you would, click that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe, ding that little bell, and leave us a comment. Have you been to Legoland Hotel? What did you think? Can't wait to see you next time. Bye now.